Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. But before that, don't forget to follow us. So we've seen that bulls have been in complete charge this entire week, and we have seen Nifty heading to 20,222 levels, which is yet another lifetime high for the index. And surprisingly, we've seen that India VIX, which is the volatility index, has slightly moved up. Now, what does this mean? We basically, seen that when Nifty is on the rise, India VIX is slightly, falling down. But for the call writers have unwinded their position, and for the momentum to come in and chase, we've seen the rise in India VIX as well. So use any declines to, make a buying opportunity. And talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen that there has been stellar performance by the PSU banks, which has led the rally in the entire week. Now, we've seen some heavyweight PSU banks as well as the small cap names which have come up and are doing very well, which is also one sector to watch out for next week. Now, talking about the levels in Nifty, we would watch out for the upside towards the lifetime high levels and then 20,250, 20,300 levels. On the flip side, the support intraday support, very near support is placed at 20,130 and 20,000 zones. Talking about Bank Nifty, the next targets which comes out for this index is 46,750 and then 47,000 levels with a support near 46,000 zones. Now, talking about sector specific, we've seen action in the PSU banks. Of course, some of the pharma names have also done good. IT mid-cap especially have, really outperformed. Also, we've seen a lot of action in some of the auto space. Now, September has been spectacular for the entire auto space, and next week will continue to see momentum in these spaces, especially auto and, some of the pharma names as well. So that was the update for this week. Don't forget to follow us.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.